Raindrops tapping on the window glass. Time moves slow, but the storm moves fast. I watch the city blur and fade. Silver streets and watercolor shades. Shadows in the rain, dancing to the sound. Everything feels lighter, falling down. If the night is cold, I'll still remain, finding myself in shadows in the rain. Umbrellas bloom like flowers in the night. Every color glowing in the neon light. I walk alone, but I'm not afraid. The rain keeps secrets that it never trades. Shadows in the rain, dancing to the sound.